Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome dish. It's with pork and some col or cabbage. It's super easy to make, delicious and very fast recipe. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, let's prepare the cabbage. Let's cut half of a kilogram into little slices, then add some salt and let's massage the salt into it. Then let's cut an onion into very little squares. And let's grate 1 carrot. In a hot pan with some oil, let's fry the onions until they're golden, and then you can add the carrots. And after mixing it around for 2 minutes, let's add the cabbage. And then the marinated cabbage. I'm using half a kilogram. Let's mix it and fry it all around for about 2-3 minutes. And let it rest. Now let's prepare the meat. First, the seasoning. 1 spoon of salt, 1 spoon of paprika, and 1 spoon of spices of your choice, then some pepper. And let's mix it all around. For meat, I'm using pork and I'm using 1 kilogram. I'm cutting into slices but not fully. And let's get the spices and mix them and massage them into the meat. I'm using 2-3 onions and let's put them into the slices. In a baking pan for the oven or a baking oven, special pan, let's add the cabbage mixture and then let's add the meat. Also, you have to add half a glass of water and let's close it with an aluminum sheet and send into the oven for about 1.5 hours at 80 degrees Celsius. And when it's all ready, try it out, the delicious recipe when it's still hot. And don't forget to plate it and share. It's that delicious that you'd want it to yourself. So, if you like this recipe, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.